Hello, silly bakers. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So we're making another cottage cheese muffin, another savory cottage cheese muffin. This time, this one tastes like a cheeseburger. And yes, it does really taste like a cheeseburger. I had an idea to do this a little while back. I have a little notebook and every time I have an idea or whatever I'm doing, I come up with ideas, I just write them down and then I get to them. So this one, I really had to think about it and I needed to think about how I wanted to create this. And I wanted to create just something very basic, a basic cheeseburger muffin kind of recipe where then you can add whatever add-ins that you love to add on your cheeseburger. So this is just very classic onion, lean ground beef, cheddar, and then condiments. So condiments, my condiments of choice are mayo, ketchup, yellow mustard. But again, guys, you can customize this. This recipe is customizable. What do you love on your cheeseburger? Let me know in the comments below. What add-ins would you want to add to this recipe? I would love to hear your creations. It really does taste like a cheeseburger. Each muffin has a little over 15 grams of protein, under 300 calories. They're really good and they really do truly taste like a cheeseburger. So I really hope you guys give this one a try. And I also think the little ones who are very picky eaters will really enjoy these as well. Very high protein. I snuck in a little flaxseed in there for some extra fiber. I actually ran out of flax. Usually I would put about 1/4 cup, but I only had 2 tablespoons worth, so that's what I added. You guys can go up to 1/4, just decrease the amount of almond flour or flour by whatever you're adding. So you guys are gonna be amazed that how easy these are to make and how much they do taste like a cheeseburger. So I really hope you guys give this one a try. Before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these really delicious cheeseburger cottage cheese muffins. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to line a 12 cavity muffin tray with silicone liners, or you can just grease them really well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cook our meat mixture. I'm going to add about, half a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to saute half a cup of chopped onions just for 3 or 4 minutes until they soften. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, and this is to taste. And we're just going to mix that again, 3 or 4 minutes until it softens. And this is on medium heat. Next, I'm going to add 1 pound of lean ground beef. And we're just going to break that up and mix it in with the onions. We are going to cook this mixture until the meat is just cooked through. Remember, this is going in the oven, so we don't want to overcook it. So this will take about 5 minutes or so. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Again, you can season this to taste. And we're just going to incorporate the seasoning. Oftentimes when you are cooking ground beef, there will be quite a bit of liquid. So once the meat is cooked, I'm going to remove it from the heat and I'm going to drain that liquid and transfer the meat to a separate bowl. Once it's in a separate bowl, I'm going to add my condiments of choice. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise. This is olive oil mayo, but you guys can use whatever you like or omit it. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of good quality ketchup. You can also use sugar-free ketchup or again, omit it. Think about what your favorite cheeseburger condiment toppings are. And 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. And this is a 1/4 cup of chopped pickles. And now I'm just going to mix everything until it's just nicely incorporated. And then we are going to set this meat mixture aside to cool a little. Now let's make our muffin batter. Simply add 4 eggs to a medium to large bowl, room temperature. These are large eggs. 1 cup of cottage cheese. This is 2% lactose free. Use whatever you like. This is a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using soy milk. You can use any milk you like. And then we're just going to whisk all the ingredients. This is 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And we are just going to mix that until it's nicely incorporated. We are adding the baking powder now, so you want to make sure that is mixed through very well. Next, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can omit that if you like. I just like actually the flavor of garlic mayo in my cheeseburger. And now we're going to add 1½ cups of almond flour and 2 tablespoons of flax, ground flax. Normally I would toast the almond flour, but I was being lazy today. But you can definitely do that if you like. You can also use the same amount of oat flour or a combination of the two. Next, this is our cheddar. I'm going to add 2/3, this is 1 cup total of cheddar. I'm going to add 2/3 of the cheddar into my mixture and leave 1/3 for the topping. And we're just going to mix that through. Once the cheese is combined, we're then going to add our meat mixture. And you want to mix that into the muffin batter. You can add up to 1 cup of your add-ins here. So whatever you love on your cheeseburger, sauteed mushrooms, jalapenos, banana peppers, roasted peppers, whatever you like. So now let's add the muffin mixture to our muffin cups. These make 12 large muffins, so you can definitely pack the mixture in right to the top of the liners. You can also make 24 smaller muffins if you like, completely up to you. If you like to add 2 different types of cheeses to your cheeseburger, you can do that here. So you can add a different type of cheese on the top versus what's inside, completely up to you. Now, I'm just going to distribute the rest of my cheese on each of the muffins. These muffins are perfect for meal prep. They reheat beautifully, they freeze beautifully. It's a great recipe to have. We're ready to bake. 400 for 23 to 27 minutes or so until a toothpick comes out clean. Enjoy our high-protein, keto-friendly, low-carb cheeseburger cottage cheese muffins. They're really, really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these cheeseburger cottage cheese muffins, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear how you customized your cheeseburger cottage cheese muffins. Thank you guys so much for watching, and the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Happy baking.